She ready? And she ready. Once the live is over, I'm gonna tap that like for you. That algorithm is gonna push you up because you push me up. And she ready? You and I push up the community. And that's what we need more people to do. Push up the community. Help this community grow. Help make this platform the #1 platform for all content creators. You feel me? Boop, boop. Let's keep it going. Now, demonstrate how to enter and exit. You're gonna come up, you're gonna look left and right, you're gonna turn on your blinker, left is down, we all forget, right is up. So you want to make sure you have good control of your vehicle. You wanna show your instructor you're listening to him or her. You will be nervous. Your hands, they're gonna sweat. You will sweat because you're gonna be so nervous, but that's okay. Take a deep breath, breathe, and relax. Hey, let's keep it going. Help me reach my goal. I'm at 2 out of 8. Help me reach that goal. I know it's been a while since I've been live, but we're not gonna worry about it. We're gonna show love. Help me get to 4,000. I'm at 3,400. Let's keep going. What's up, D? Determine how to enter and exit an entry or cross traffic at a controlled and uncontrolled intersections. What do they mean by this? A controlled intersection is like on the street. An uncontrolled intersection could be in your neighborhood. You should be starting out in your parking lot, starting out in your neighborhood. When you feel comfortable, go onto the street, drive at the speed limit, pause. Don't have a panic attack. Lean on your instructor. Lean on me. When you see questions at the end of all my videos, what was the most difficult thing or challenging thing? Amen. Relax. Put in your questions. I'll read them. I'll make new videos for you, right? Listen. She ready? I'm listening. I'm relaxing because I'm here for you. When I go live, I have fun, I enjoy, and ask me questions. Next, park at a curb or park on a grade, uphill or downhill. Thank you. You gotta know how to control your car. If you're parking downhill, you turn your wheel all the way to the right because if the car rolls forward, it will bump into the curb. If you're parking uphill, you turn your wheel all the way to the left and you pull up your park brake. What's up, Ashley? What's up, Josh? How you doing? Whoop, 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 whoop. Bruh, let's keep it going. Let's go to the next part. I have 10 minutes. I'm gonna talk about what makes a good instructor. Read the book. You got that right, she ready? But they're not ready. Read the book. Here we go. What makes a good driving instructor? Student's perspective. #1, patience. Your instructor should be patient. They're never yelling at you. They're showing kindness. They're showing support. Next, they're nice. They don't yell at you when you make mistakes. You're gonna be nervous. Your hands are gonna be sweating. They're gonna tell you go right, you go left. Thank you. Thank you for all the love, she ready? She ready? I support you 100%. Next, give directions in advance. For example, at the light, turn left, at the light, turn right. Also, they use their hands. So in a lot of my videos, thank you, she ready? She ready? You look at my stand store. You tell me what you like. I'm gonna send you something, she ready? Real talk, she ready? Look at my stand store. You follow me. I follow you. She ready? The least I can do is send you one of my digital products. True. You just let me know. Go over there, look at it, tell me which one you want, I'll send it to you. Because you, all the information, yes, look at it. Next, don't make last minute decisions. Good instructors tell you in advance. They're going on a route. You're gonna make 12 right turns, 12 left turns. Okay, thank you, she ready. Real talk, you're awesome. Next, visual demonstration. For example, demonstrate us sitting in the car and then move the seat up or back to adjust your seat. Thank you for the badge. Thank you for the love. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it lit. In the classroom, they use the steering wheel to show us what he or she is talking about. You're beginners. You don't know about the shifter. You don't know about the clutch. You don't know how to have good speed control. So I have to show you. Remember, we're talking about what makes a good driving instructor. What's up, Julie? We're talking about what makes a good driving instructor. I got 12 people on. Let's keep this thing going. Let's get to 4K. Let's keep it going. Good instructors are considerate. They understand that if you're running late, to send me a text. I got you. I'm right here chilling, my family. Next, they share stories of related concepts. Usually when beginners come out, they're very nervous. I say hi to your mom. I say hi to your dad. I introduce myself. Then I get you in the car. I adjust the seat for you. I show you how to pivot your right foot between the gas and brake. Hey, I'm at 4,000. Let's keep it going. Let's keep this thing going. I have 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Let's keep rocking this thing. Thank you, She Ready, for taking the lead approach, guiding our community, showing up. And part of the content creator's job is to show up, to show people, hey, do you have new videos? Yes. Look at the title. The title, if the title's lane control, how to keep your car straight. If the title's parking, how to stall park, how to angle park. If the title is merging on expressway, it's merging on expressway. Real talk, okay? Real talk. Also, let's look at their fun teacher. My daughter picked my name. She said, Dad, you're a funny guy. And I'm like, yeah, I know. We picked the funny guy 1. The funny guy 1 was filled up. We picked the funny guy 2, gone, taken off. Helped so many people, over 10,000 people I've helped in this journey. And it's truly a blessing. Hey, thank you, She Ready, right? She Ready's the #1 out here. Can someone level up to She Ready? Can we click some hearts? Can we click some likes? Yeah, I am funny. I do try to laugh all the time as much as I can. You have to find humor in teaching, humor in helping people, right? All the time. Okay, let's keep going. A good instructor on the road is very calm, right? You got to be happy in life. Find the humor in life because life is very short. We want to make it as beautiful and as tranquil as possible. I have a very good driver right now. His name is Caleb. He's so chill. He is so relaxed. He is on his 3rd drive, really smooth, great speed control, comfortable. I need all of you to experience Caleb's driving ability because when you have that good instructor, you're gonna grow, okay? You're gonna grow, boop, 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 boop. You're gonna grow. Next, good instructors give you advice on how to improve your driving skills. Sometimes I feel like a life coach too, right? Because I'm always talking about positivity, doing good in school, helping your community. And this is what this platform is about, helping. I failed because I merged on the expressway going 70 and a short ramp. I missed a truck. Any advice? You've got to look before you go down the ramp. You want to come out about 35 to 40 and the ramp will be like a slingshot. If you're going out too fast and don't have control, you're gonna fail. So my advice, practice. You're gonna go to a different location. You gotta give me more narrative to the message. Was it in the morning? Was it in the afternoon? Was it in the, baby, we're about to hit 5K. Doop, doop, doop. Let's hit 5K and celebrate, right? Let's hit 5K and celebrate when it was busy. So you should not have to go 70 and just ram your car in. You gotta go out real easy. It should be like a smooth blending. Love you guys. I love you guys. Let's keep it going. I have 10 minutes. Let's see how we can go in 10 minutes, okay? She Ready? When this is over, you just send me a message. Look at the stand store. I can send it to you. That's all you gotta know. I'm tired of tapping right now. Can someone take over She Ready? Can someone else tap? Can someone else tap, please? What speed should you be? 35 to 45. What's up? No, I won't be doing summer school. I'm stacking up, helping adults learn how to drive, but thank you for thinking of me. How about you tack over that tapping, tap that like, tap that heart, right? So I will be driving, teaching people how to drive. That's what I'm passionate about. You're here because you want to learn how to drive.